Hello guys, welcome back to Brother Rose. It's your boy Xavier. Today we're gonna be doing some Hot Wheel predictions for our thing, and we're gonna be doing the bracket. So let's get started. And our first pick in this pile, let's see. I wanna go with this pile. That's my dog Kirby. That's our grandparents' dog barking. So let's put that aside right to there. So now we're gonna do this car. And then the next two I think we'll put the Lamborghini and MJ1
Which race is he here?
And then I think I want to choose this car. And then we'll have this car, Honda. And
Come here, Kirby.
we're gonna have this very cool car.
Took the room at the end of the hall, so you have the room across from the back.
Okay.
I think that Trace is upstairs.
And then I'll have this
Probably.
car,
Oh, we'll go say hi.
Okay.
Mercedes. Then we'll have the two, I think they're Nissans. Let me check. No, they're Paganis. They're both the Paganis. We have the Pagani twins. Let's see, MJ1 now. That looks like a pretty sports car. Let's go with this car, the 2014 Chrysler. The green, black stripes. Let's see its name. Looks like it's the MJ1 now again. We have more of these people. Okay, this is Mazda, and he don't play it. The MJ1 now. And then for our last matchup, we'll go with, let's see, we'll go with the news truck, the news truck, and the Wi-Fi truck to fix your Wi-Fi. From the news today, Ryan's Toy Review is Xavier Dose's favorite YouTube channel. True, he has over 18 million subscribers. More people need to subscribe to him. He is supposed to have like 29. He's supposed to have like 99 million subscribers. Please, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this video, and also click the notification bell if you haven't to see me and my brothers upload a video.
Get off me, you sloth.